मेरा नाम परेश चंद्र शर्मा। मैं गुवाहाटी में बिलोंग करता हूँ, गुवाहाटी पटासे लंबाड़ी। माई वाइफ नेम इज नीलिमा देवी and my son's name is Arnab Sharma. We have come to know from one of my friend who is a physician that Mr. Ashish Singh is coming to Guwahati, who is expert in knee replacement surgeries. So we met him on 29th of March at Guwahati Marwari Hospital. Thereafter, Ashish sir obtained some X-rays, and he then confirmed that both the knees are collapsed. Both the knees are not repairable. So he advised me to come to Patna for replacement of both the knees. Accordingly, we came on 13th of May for replacement of knees of my wife Nilema Devi, and on 14th itself the operation was conducted, and now she is quite well and she is able to walk. Even she is walking on stairs also. So we are very much happy, and thanks to this hospital authorities and hospital staffs.